volunteers help our school?
How do volunteers help Bridle Path?
Yeah.
Let me think about that. Volunteers help our 6th graders buy this TV for our lobby. Volunteers help our little guys with kid writing. Not just adults volunteer at Bridle Path, our student council volunteers to help us throughout the entire year. Volunteers help make our gardens beautiful. Our green team and garden club helped us plant vegetables, strawberries, and even some lettuce in the front of our building. Volunteers help out in the library all the time. Volunteers help put books back on the shelves. Volunteers help Bridle Path students make books for our library. Volunteers help make the video you're watching right now. Volunteers help us with Olympic Day, even when it's rained out.
Of course.
Thank you, volunteers.
Be happy.
We are so lucky to have volunteers. They host parties, they go on field trips with us, and they help out our teachers. They also help out with clubs like the garden club, green team, and they even help out with the variety show.
Here's to all volunteers, those dedicated people who believe in all work and no play. Robert Rubin.
On behalf of all of the first grade students and teachers, we would like to thank all of the parents and grandparents who have given up their time to come in and provide us with our wonderful rib days. And a special thank you to Bonnie Greco for all of her hours coordinating these wonderful days that our first graders will never forget.
We can't thank you enough for your kind and generous hearts. Without you, our school would not be complete. You help us with activities like Garden Club, Green Team, Student Council, and so much more. So for that, we thank you. Peace.
Volunteers don't get paid not because they're worthless, but because they're priceless. Sherry Andrensen.
Volunteers have some creative ideas. On field trips, they are chaperones. Teachers help out with movie night and so much more. Homeroom moms are very nice. Christmas parties and Halloween parties are so much fun. ESC helpers make the kids feel very happy. Variety show volunteers make the students feel like they can do anything.
Thank you, volunteers, for making Bridle Path the best school ever!
Thank you for planting and watering flowers out front and making our school beautiful.
Those who can do more volunteer. Author and Aaron.
Hi, Bridle Path parents. Thank you for helping us with our field trip, like the Kimmel Center. It was a great success.
Thank you to all the volunteers who helped fund the book fair, for helping us find the right books.
Thank you, volunteers.